Hello students, in previous video we have discussed the exercise or worksheet of lesson number 5. Now today we will discuss the answers of given questions. Now here we have to answer the following questions in brief. D part. Name any 4 land animals. Very easy questions. You can write any 4 animals that you see around you, like cow, lion, tiger, buffalo, dog, cat, any 4 land animal. Next is name any 2 things that forests provide to animals. So can you name 2 things? Yes, the forest provide food and shelter to animals. That means खाना देता है और रहने की जगह. Shelter means सिर छुपाने की जगह या रहने की जगह. So forest provide food and shelter to animals. Next is, how do fins and gills help a fish? We have discussed in the chapter. Fins and gills help a fish to live in water. But how? Question is, how do fins and gills help a fish? Fins help in swimming and gills help in breathing. Yes. So the function of fins is it helps in swimming and gills help in breathing. So in this way it helps a fish. Now why do frog need water? That also we have discussed, that frog is a land animal but it needs water. Why it needs water? And this is the question, why do frog needs water? Frog needs water to lay their eggs. Eggs देने के लिए उसको water चाहिए, because frog lay eggs in the water only. So the answer is, frogs need water to lay their eggs. Why dogs and cats are favorite pet of many people? So why dogs and pets are favorite pets? Because they are very friendly and like to interact with people. So they are very friendly, hence they are the favorite pets of many people. Next is E part. Answer the following questions. State the special features which help a camel to live in a desert. Now here you have to write all the special features of camel that we have discussed. So you know that the most important thing is they can tolerate high temperature. They can store food and water in their body. And that's why they can live without water for many days. And they have padded feet which help them to walk on the sand. So the special features are, they can store food and water in their body and they have padded feet. So these are some special features of camel. Now how do skin colors and body patterns of some animals help to save them from danger? That also we have discussed, that the skin color and body pattern of some animals help them to merge with their surroundings. वो अपने surrounding के साथ merge हो जाते हैं, which protects them from danger. और वो इस वजह से वो अपने खतरे से बच जाते हैं. Why are dolphins considered to be intelligent animals? Yes, dolphins considered to be intelligent animals because they can learn to perform tricks and play games. Yes, they easily learn to perform tricks and play games. So hence they are considered to be very intelligent animals. Now these are the questions that we have discussed. Now the value based question. Very important. Here is a story of a boy. While coming home from school, Aryan saw an injured puppy. You can see here in the picture also. He is Aryan and he saw a puppy which was injured. You can see here its leg is injured here and blood is coming out. And he picked it up, brought it home. He applied medicine at its injury with the help of his mother. The puppy felt happy and wagged its tail. So this boy Aryan saw the injured puppy and what he had done, he picked it up. उसने उठा लिया और उसको घर लेके आ गया. उसके बाद उसने उसके मेडिसिन लगाई और किसकी हेल्प से? मदर की हेल्प से. अगर आपकी कोई हेल्प करे तो आपको कैसा लगता है? बहुत अच्छा. सो पपी ऑल्सो फील very happy. And how the animals show their happiness? You must have seen the dogs. जब उनके कोई known आते हैं उनके पास, they starts wagging their tails. वो अपनी tail हिलाना शुरू कर देते हैं. So similarly, that puppy also wagged its tail. They then gave some food to the puppy. और उसके बाद उन्होंने पपी को थोड़ा कुछ खाने को दिया. This is the story. Now the question is, state the values shown by Aryan. Aryan ऐसी क्या अच्छी बातें थी उसमें जो वो उसकी वैल्यूज शो कर रही थी? उसमें क्या आपको खास बात लगी? What are the special things? क्या अच्छा उसके नेचर में था? Yes, he is very kind. दयालु था. And उसको दया आ गई when he saw the puppy injured. उसको दया आई. And secondly, he is very helpful. दया तो हम में से बहुतों को आती है कई चीज पे, but we never help them. हम उनकी मदद नहीं करते. So helping others is also a very important thing. So we should be kind like Aryan and helpful also. Kind होने के साथ साथ हम लोगों को दूसरों की हेल्प भी करनी चाहिए. And these are the values shown by Aryan. How did Aryan help the puppy? So you have heard the story. How Aryan helped the puppy? Aryan take that puppy home and applied the medicine at its injury and also gave food to the puppy. So कैसे उसने हेल्प करी पपी की? वो उसको घर ले गया, उसके मेडिसिन लगाई चोट में एंड उसको खाना भी दिया. So in this way Aryan helped the puppy. Have you ever helped any animal or human being who was in pain? So this is the question from you. क्या आपने कभी किसी की हेल्प करी, किसी एनिमल या किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग की जो दर्द में हो? How did you feel after that? और आपको कैसा लगा? That you have to answer. Obviously, whenever we help someone, we feel very good. तो हमें हमेशा जब भी हम किसी की हेल्प करते हैं तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Now, the next question is something to do. What you have to do? Visit a zoo or your neighborhood areas and write the names of the animals that you see there. So right now it is not possible to visit a zoo, but आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो जू में कभी ना कभी ज़रूर गए होंगे. एंड इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी टू गो टू द जू. आपने अपने नेबरहुड में, आसपास पड़ोस में भी आप बहुत सारे एनिमल्स देखते होंगे, डेली देखते हैं. Now what you have to do is put their names in the relevant boxes. So here are the 3 columns and the boxes given, and first one is land animals, that you all know. Land animals walk on land. Water animals or aquatic animals that lives in water, and air animals. Air animals means that can fly in air. So what you have to do is, जो एनिमल्स आपने देखे हैं, आपको ऑब्वियसली उनके नेम्स पता होंगे. यू हैव टू राइट दोज एनिमल्स इन रेलिवेंट बॉक्सेस. रेलिवेंट बॉक्सेस मीन्स if they are land animals, they walk on land, you have to write over here. If they are water animals, that means they live in water, you have to write here in this box. And you must have seen many birds. Daily देखते होंगे आप बहुत सारे birds. You can write their names here. So this you have to fill it, and you have to do it yourself because you know which animals you have seen. So you can write these animals in the boxes. So our chapter is finished now. Thank you.